Hello and welcome back to another cooking vlog from Enchanting Endeavors. Today I'm making a simple Indian style fish curry using Basa fillets. This is a very easy everyday recipe, no fancy ingredients you can actually make on a busy day. I'm using around 4 red potatoes today. I prefer red potatoes because they're nutritious and work really well in curries. And I'll cut them into small pieces. Next, I will roughly chop one large onion. I've washed and cleaned the basa fillet and now I will cut it into medium sized pieces. I will keep the pieces not too small because the fish is delicate and we don't want it to break while cooking. I'm lightly marinating the fish with turmeric, salt, and a little red chili powder. This is just to remove any raw smell and add some base flavor. Let's rest it for about 10 minutes. In a pan, I'll heat some oil and gently put the fish pieces in. We want a shallow fry. Once the first side is done, I'll flip them gently so they cook evenly. Some prefer not to fry fillets, but I feel this helps keep the pieces steady in the curry. Very carefully, I'll take out the fish out of the oil and keep it aside. Let's use the same oil to make the curry base. I'll add bay leaf and a few cardamom pods. After a while, let's add the chopped onions and fry them until they turn golden. While the onions are cooking, I'll use another pan to cook the potatoes. This helps the process go faster. Add some oil, put in the potatoes, and cover the pan to cook them. Now that the onions are done, I'll add some ginger paste and tomato puree. I'll cook them for a while, then add in all the spices. Salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, and a little garam masala to the mixture. Let's saute the spices for a bit and then add some water so the gravy cooks nicely. Next, let's add all the cooked potatoes to the gravy. Now let's add some green peas. They add both color and a little natural sweetness to the curry. Once the curry base is cooked well, I'll gently place the basa pieces into the gravy. Let's gently stir the curry so the fish doesn't break. Basa cooks very fast, so I'll keep the flame medium low. To finish, sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander over the curry. You can also add a pinch of garam masala if you like and give it one gentle stir. This basa fish curry goes beautifully with steamed rice, jeera rice, or even soft rotis. You're watching Enchanting Endeavors, and thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen.